Yo, what's up guys? I'm going to show you how to do this trig equation. And in this one, we have, again, a multiple in our input. And this question, we actually have... Oh, I should actually change one of these to thetas to make it consistent. In this question, if you read the title, this actually has 12 answers. So I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? Now this question looks so unassuming, like so simple, but yeah, on the surface it looks so simple, but there's actually 12 answers. Okay, so I'm going to try to write it out neatly so we can understand how we got there. Okay, so first of all, let's make tan 3 theta the subject. So I'm going to square root both sides. Oh, whoops, I said square root. This guy. Which means we should have plus minus 1. Right? So if we were to solve for all stations to central, that's every single quadrant. All stations to central. Since we have both positive and negative, we're going to take all 4 quadrants. Okay, so 3 theta is equal to, hopefully we know by now that tan 45 degrees is going to give us the value of 1. So 45 degrees is our principal angle. And then we have second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Oh, also, now how far are we going to go? Since we're working with 3 theta, I should come up here and say multiply everything by 3. Okay, so we're going to go up to 1080. So right now we've got just 0 to 360, right? So I'm going to actually do this horizontally. Sorry, not horizontally, like vertically. Okay, so this is for 1 revolution, like this row is for 1 revolution. The next one, we're going to add 360 to all of these ones. Okay, and I'm intentionally just not going to calculate it just to show you like the process of how we're getting these numbers. Okay, so all I did is the same thing as the previous row, but we added an extra 360. Okay, now that's for 2 revolutions. Now we want a 3rd revolution. So I'm going to copy this and just paste it here. And instead of adding 360 this time, we're going to add another 360, which makes this 720. Okay, and we added this, we added this, we added this, we added this. Okay, so that altogether is 12 answers, right? So once we calculate all of these, we can divide everything by 3. Okay, because on the left-hand side, we have 3 theta, right? So theta is equal to, okay, and just divide every, like we can like calculate the numbers now and just divide everything that you've got here by 3. Okay, and since it's 12 answers, I'm just going to list out the 12 answers from bottom to ascending order. Okay, so we got 15 degrees, 45 degrees, 75 degrees, 105, 135, 165, 195, 225, 255, okay, so all of these answers, there's 12 of them, is the solution to this question. Now, I will say, if they ask you this in the exam, it's actually if you understand how to do it, it's actually quite easy. Just because that, just because there's 12 solutions, we could have the same question for, having 16 solutions and 20 solutions. It actually doesn't increase the difficulty as long as you make the layout of your working nice and neat. So when you do this question, I recommend just splitting it into rows instead of like the way it looks like in the answers at the end. At the end, it's fine, but when you have it all bunched up before you worked it out, it's hard to keep track of what's happening. Okay, so try to just lay it out the neatest that you can. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next question. Bye.